Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. There is a new update on the YouTube platform, so I'm going to show you the shortcut how you can easily change your profile picture. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture, okay? Then when you're over here, I want you to click on the profile picture at the top left corner, the bigger one. Now, when you're at your own YouTube channel landing page, the new update will simply allow you to do edits from the actual mobile device. You don't need the laptop or desktop version anymore. Now, you see this button that is called Manage Videos, right? Next to it, you have the Analytics, and next to Analytics button, you have this small pen. I want you to click on this small pen. When you click on the pen, you will have the option to change the name, the handle, the pronouns, right? To change the URL, the description, but also on the top center of the screen, you have an option to essentially click and change your profile picture. You can select the picture from your gallery, or you can upload the picture right away from your camera. It's very easy, guys, very simple. Thanks to YouTube, this new update makes things much easier. You can also change the background picture. You can change the actual landscape photo over here. If you click on it, as you can see, you can simply change it over here as well. Very easy, very simple. With the old version, you need a laptop, you need a desktop version, you need to resize items and things. Over here, things are very easy, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.